Hello and welcome to our video series, Don't Get Ripped Off. 20 questions you need to ask before you hire a Sacramento heating and air conditioner contractor to service, repair, inspect, replace your HVAC units. Welcome back. In this week's video, we'll cover question 3. I need to replace my old system. What's the best way to go about doing this? Answer. When you are considering a new heating air conditioning system, your dealer will need to determine what needs to be replaced or supplied. They should inspect the following: slabs, ductwork, refrigerant piping, filter, registers, electrical service, dryers, ductwork, condensate piping, grills, drain pans, flute terminations, wiring, insulation, evaporator coil, drain pans, thermostats, chimney liner, and flute piping. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope you found them to be informative and helpful. We invite you to post your questions concerning heating and air conditioning systems. Clicking on the link will take you to this website where all you need to do to receive your copy sent to you by email is to type your email address right here. Thanks for watching our video. Hey, cool.